Hello everyone, welcome to Alora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this rainbow trout fish. Take 1 pound of rainbow trout fish, cut into 1 inch long. Add salt as per your taste, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Add half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and lemon juice 1 teaspoon. Add some curry powder 1 teaspoon. Mix everything well. You can skip any of the masala if you want, but if you add them, this will give you some extra flavor. Now fry them in hot oil. You can take any oil. I have taken mustard oil, and fry it in high heat and flip it after every 2 minutes. And you can bring your flame to medium once you see the color is changing, and add some onions and some tomatoes, sliced tomatoes. You can bring the flame to low to medium and then cook them. You can also cook all the other sides just for 1 minute, and your fish fry is ready. This tastes really delicious. Do definitely try out this recipe and add some more oil in the same pan and add the remaining fish pieces. I am also adding the head and the tail part and flip them again after 2 minutes. Add the sliced onion, sliced tomatoes. These are again optional, you can skip them. And all our fish fry is ready. Now garnish it with some coriander leaves and enjoy this hot with rice. Do definitely try out this recipe. This came out really well, and thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.